Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm catching up on some past due projects, and one of them you may recognize. This project is Thomas approved. Some of you may remember this toolbox. This is the mystery toolbox that I picked up down at Burgess Antiques, and it was a $10 item packed full of things that were actually pretty good. So the tools inside the toolbox paid the $10 for the ride home. And the toolbox found an admirer. Lydia looked at it and said, oh, that would be a perfect toolbox to put mums in. Now, it's not something I would look at a toolbox for, but, you know, she's the designer, and why not make use of her talents? So she asked if I could put some drainage holes in this toolbox. Now, some people might say, oh, that's repairable, and you could make a toolbox out of it, and it'd be very nice, and really, it's in pretty sad shape. These normally come with a tray. The tray is missing. The sides are all beat up. The lock no longer works. The latches function, but everything is warped and beat up and banged, which makes it ideal for the purposes that Lydia wants to use it for. So, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to drill some drain holes in it. She's going to buy some little mums and plant them in there, and maybe put something else in the lid. She intends to have it on one of the porches, or maybe on the side porch, or the lanai in the back. And there may be plants in this area. There are definitely going to be plants in this area. So I'm going to drill holes in the bottom of this just to drain out any water so it doesn't flood the thing and cause it to rot the roots. Now, I honestly don't think this thing would hold water if you put water in it. You know, what the heck? A few holes won't hurt a thing. So I get out the Black & Decker Shorty drill. Why am I using the Black & Decker Shorty drill? Because I like it. There. That should do more than enough draining to keep the roots dry. We'll take off this bit of waste. And the cool thing is, it doesn't need anything beyond this, because this is one of those times when the patina adds value. I know. I hear the screaming already. But, you know, when you're looking for something that looks used, this is your baby. Well, another project done, and I'm glad to say that it turned out pretty well. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. And not all the videos are going to be this short. Some of them are actually quite long. If you like these videos, why not give me a thumbs up and even think about subscribing? Doesn't cost you anything, and it supports the channel. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.